You understand? Me walk in a court. You understand? And the judge say, all right now, you have been charged with recovery of property. So me just interrupt and say, Your Honor, look here now, I have a title. You understand? And the title is showing that this is a family property. My mommy does not own this land. It belongs to my grandmother. So the judge done for, look, you know, like, hold up. You understand? All right, turn to her now and ask her what is happening. You know what the lady say? Oh, me a deportee. And oh, me get charged in America for such crime. And oh, me come to Jamaica and she buy one car for me. And all of these different... Yo, objection, Your Honor. Objection.
Yeah, man, this is Roland Barrett representing for Dancehall Truth. You don't know, so oh, big up yourself, Bingy. You don't know, so Roland Barrett said that. Sound why? Why do you allow somebody see in your face, Johnny Dollar?
Yes, people, wagwan. Hopes everybody are do well, no? Yeah, man. And depend on the best behavior all of them things there, you see it. So we want to give thanks again for another reasoning, you know. And we're there again. But this time, we're there upon some more serious matter, you see. Because, I don't know still, because it look like, as a people, it look like we are devolved. Instead of, we are get brighter, it look like we are get dumbed down more. See? And more, I see people carry them personal life out in a public certain kind of way. And while them sitting here make news, and sometimes it might just intriguing or entertaining to people, at the same time, a whole heap of people life are getting in danger. For some things, you see, it's may I say, people in our culture differently still. People in our country, people as what we call Jamaican. You understand? We have some behavior amongst ourselves. It's almost like we are the biggest enemy. You understand the levels? With the amount of different family fight and the amount of mash down and gossip and bring down amongst I and I people differently still. It kind of appalling still, is it? And it just make people wonder what really they happen to the people them differently still, you see? Because guess what, man? You see, we come round here and all of we there for a little time. And more time, the time where we spend, it is almost like we are set out for cause destruction by each other in many different ways. You see? So because of some adult bickering and don't know how to conduct themselves and don't know how to trash out little problem amongst themselves, it's almost like them bring a next generation into the problem with them, and them a traumatize the youth, them a get the youth them involved in some long-term quarrel and bickering and family feud and cuss and all of them sit. Because when them things happen, you see when time you see adult kick off and them are going with their madness. Remember, say all of your youth them are come up in a bridge and sistering, and all you know do are just transport all of them energy and them vibration there upon the youth them, you know. Seeing? So it's like you know sow some kind of seed in the youth them mind, where it go create destruction. You understand? Because over years and throughout all of the community them, me can tell you say all of them sitting here. Seeing? Where people are fight over land. People are fight over deadlift. You understand? People get murdered over them. You understand? Then granny property. People are get killed over things with people, you understand, can just... Boy, I don't know still. But me see a video go around still and we want to take a little listen or make we watch the little video, yeah, different. I want the people tell me what to think about them situation. Because first of all, I'll say make we watch the video and then me kinda give me opinion on it after a minute. So make we watch it
people
together.
from your device. Come now, mommy. Come spit off of me again. She just come a while ago on the step. Come spit off of me, people. Come spit off of me again now. Mommy, which part you there? Come spit off of me again. Me have to start over the video because the video dropped short. Either way, people. Boom. You understand? My mother pop up on me. She upstairs right now. She pop up on me Monday morning. Monday night, pardon me. Monday night, the lady pop up on me. Me see a Juta bus pop up right here, so right? So, when me see the Juta bus pop up, people, me and Apache come and look out there and say, Grandma they here, trouble they there. So me say, Bumbo clean. Hear me now? Still say good evening. When you don't know, me not grown if you don't have no manners. So, say good evening. Apache say good evening. Him ask Apache, help me. And bring Apache go down there so Apache help her. Long story short, people. Me go to court yesterday. Let me get to the point. I went to court yesterday with my mommy to court yesterday. Me never know say I had a court date because them give me 2 paper. You understand? And a 2 different summons on the paper. So when me see she pop up, me I say, oh, she pop up. And that's when me go sit down back now and look on the paper and realize that, oh Lord, on the 14th, you need to be in court. Either way, the charge that she's putting upon me to go to court, when me go to court for yesterday was recovery of property. So she's basically saying that she want back the 1 room where she gives to me. That is what she's saying. Alright? So either way, went to court from 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock.
Mark, is a big man this scene. Is an adult. Is a grown man with children. Or yeah, me hear matter about children. Seeing? So just continue listen.
1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, finally get called in a court, 4 o'clock. You understand? We walk in a court. You understand? And the judge said, all right now, you have been charged with recovery of property. So me just interrupt and say, Your Honor, look here now, I have a title. You understand? And the title is showing that this is a family property. My mommy does not own this land. It belongs to my grandmother. So the judge look, you know, like, hold up. You understand? All right, turn to her now and ask her what is happening. You know what the lady said? Oh, me a deportee. And oh, me get charged in America for such crime. And oh, me come to Jamaica and she buy 1 car for me. And all of these different... Yo, objection, Your Honor. Objection. We are court pan recovery of property. You understand? Not for you to listen to somebody who are talking about me as a deportee and all of these different things. So, you know, with that being said now, the judge look upon me.
My quick question. Because me not like how he must skip across on things differently still. Because if he mother buy him car, see? Because him not deny say him mother never buy him car. You know? Him just a base on the reason why him there court. And him rightly so, him have the right for do that. See? But don't make the whole aggression and how him attack him skip past the fact say his mother give him one room and when buy him one car. So the problem probably deeper than just what they ramble on the phone calls. I just film side where we basically are here still.
Funny now, the judge have a vendetta against me now. Now, me can't get to talk my piece, me can't get to say nothing. So, me have to use my head, you understand? And tell the judge, so look here now, I don't have nobody representing me, you know, your honor. So therefore, I need time to get a lawyer. So the judge said, the 18th of January, I need to return to court and walk with a lawyer. Now this woman, I walk around the whole entire exchange, the whole entire OT. I tell them, oh, me have 2 months to come out of the house because the judge kicked me out of the house. You understand? That's how she walk when I tell everybody. No, me depend this earlier and make a video and she walk in the yard while me I make the video. She gone upstairs right now, no. Me look for the car, see she a peep out. You understand? She come and she spit off and me look up to them. Me and them stand up practice a while ago. Two. Spit off on me and me pick them a while ago. See her the up there, so now. See her the up there, so. Now, let me tell you this now. Bro, hear me now? She's painting a picture in a court, so me's a deportee, and me's a murderer. And hear me now? Look, your honor, if you see this, hear me now? Objection. People come to court to talk about the matter. You understand? You are not here to judge people on their past. You understand? Because time go by and people change and all kind of different things go down. You understand? Me's not a gigolo. I go to work every day. Me have 3 pitney writers so me take care of. Me, single father, take care of. So you can't compare me with no kind of gigolo.
Yeah, him right. That's like if the judge go basically I try to judge him based on him past. Him right there, sir. And the judge would have wrong for do them kind of things there. And more than things said them would have more professional. You understand? But it depends on what question the lady when get asked by the judge. You understand? So all of this is out of context why I'm tell with still. So we have to understand.
I go to work every day. Here it is that you're missing the story. The story is this lady is trying to thief this family property. You understand? No, I'm trying to explain to you that I have an executive auntie who is on the will. You understand? Number one, judge, you said that and she give me permission to stay so. And then my mother give me permission to stay here so. And my grandmother and my grandfather and the rest of auntie them and uncle them. Them not dead. They're not dead. So this lady's trying to paint a picture like she is the only civilian. Civilian or, yo, hear me now? Like I share the only pity for the grandmother. Big man thing. And that is not the case. She's not the only pity for the grandmother. See my auntie house there. You understand? My auntie willing to come to court. You understand? And talk. You understand? So therefore, your honor, you give this lady look straight now. Because you say me to come to court back on the 18th. And you make a remark saying that, oh, I need to find somewhere. You understand? And that's the straight where you give this little woman here. She's walking around the whole place. Oh, you have to come out in that 2 months. Judge say you have to come out in that 2 months. No. No, it no goes so. And on top of that, like me say, this land does not belong to she. And it is a land that I'm not fighting for. You understand? But I'm going to prove at the end of the day that she is not the one who allowed me to stay here. You understand? My granny who dead and gone, my grandfather, me still have uncle, me have aunties, me have more uncles and more aunties who will come to court and tell you that I give him permission to stay here. He can stay in his grandmother's house. If that's the case, if she don't want to give me back what I have earned, meaning when me pay for, me got more than $3 million down there, so. You see upstairs where she there right now, we fall out because she could not pay me. And I did not want to work for free because as you can see, me have 3 people who me have to take care of. So me can't work for free. Me have to get paid for my work. So because I don't want to work for free, now come out of my house. Or you have to go pay your rent. You can't live your stuff. You understand? The lady come through the gate last night now. Yes, Monday. Monday when she come through.
When I listen properly. You see, when time some people kind of feel what you think, say no? Some people feel entitled. See? God, the Virgin, him come across like somebody who is entitled. So him feel like I say, him mother owe him for give him a house, give him a place to live in. Where him not pay no rent according to what him say. See? Him not clean up the place where him say a part of the agreement what him to do. Him to clean up the place and keep the place tidy and them kind of shit. Him a work on the house and at the same time he want his mother to pay him. See? Cause more time when time the problem them come out, you know. The people them who they cause the problem, them only tell for them side of the story to make it look like I say. Them dep on the right side, you know. See? But may I tell you differently still. Until we change with mentality. You see? Until we change with mentality, we go always have situations like these.
Through the gate, you understand? She has sing on a patch to help her. You know, it's Adriana. See me look at that there. The little girl come from school. And me look at the little girl and say, your grandma just come. Say good evening. The little girl come on the veranda. Good evening, grandma. Up to now, she don't answer the little pitney. Up to now, she don't look for my daughter. Because she say my daughter a jacket. You understand? That's how she a walk and I tell people about my jacket pitney them. She just come in at the house a while ago now. And I talk about, oh, we are dead hungry. And all kind of things. From morning, the lady tried to get me to open my mouth to her now. But then for my life, and I walk out of the yard to ignore this lady. And every time she hear me talk, she just open up her mouth so she can get me to say something to her. You understand? A while ago, she just come on the step and spit off on me and me pick the dead right just a while ago now. See her upstairs she there now. Upstairs she gone now. Hear what me I say to people. Hear me now. Me just want about my money. And you have to give me back my money for respect me today or so. So, your honor, you hear me now? Look now, you need to find out what is going on here now. Because you are no different. You are no different from the thief. You understand? You are no different from the thief. Because if the thief can come to you and tell you, say, oh, I'm a deportee, and you are going to look for me funny, that you no longer interested in what I have to say. You understand? And you're going to take and run what the lady's saying without hearing from the other family members them. Without hearing what is taking place with this family lad. You understand? She come to tell you, oh, I spend a lot of millions of dollars. I spend a lot of millions of dollars too. What about my money? I want back my money just the same too. Just the same. So with that being said, see her there? With that being said, now tell you this, them tell me now, so me can't swear down a sentence beer. Because sentence beer, only $1 million, the courthouse down there alone can give. You understand? So me have to take and go a Supreme Court. You understand? See her there? Bro, come from there, bro. When you go inside, yes, bro. Move away from there. No, bro. When you get away, just, bro, you see the woman wicked? The woman just come to sound go so, yes, did. Hello?
Did I spit out on her?
You don't know. You see you're a wicked man. You want to tell Brad about how me have to come out the house by the 18th. See you in court and you...
You see what I talk about? Them just bring the youth involved in it. Get the youth involved in it. So I want generational problem that them just create this so then. See? Yeah man, I didn't sit them here talk about man. Cause more time the problem them we start with the adult them, you know. And the youth them carry out the destruction. So if you understand that. When time the adult them a true word upon each other offense side, I want different ball game when time the youth them start to carry off with film thing. The extension of the problem we want to create.
Well people, we are back at it again. Yeah, I just got summons. Yeah, I get summons yesterday for appear in court. You understand? Yeah, because my mommy said that I threatened her. You understand? So we're going to court on this threat. And then now we have this next piece of paper here that is stating, after she tried to get me out of the house and I'm a tenant. Now this one is stating that I'm a carekeeper. You understand? I'm a carekeeper. That's what's on this one. So I was supposed to keep the place clean, and I'm not keeping the place clean. So she want me out of the house. You understand? Because I was supposed to keep one side of the house clean, you know. And I am not doing that. So you understand? We have court. You understand? In a couple more days from now. You understand? But we just want to show the people, all these people as Christian people, you understand, don't have no love. You understand? Because these people right here, when we say Christian people, me I talk about this particular lady here. You understand? Because me I tell you, a God has saved me right now. You understand? And me want to tell you this, brethren. You understand? Don't play with fire. You understand? Because claiming to be one thing and doing the other and just cannot quit and continue to relapse. I'm telling you, brethren, look at me. I am a perfect example, brethren. Don't know when to quit. Kept going and going and going. And see, God, I try to take control of my life and I try to bless me. But here it is that you lady that's just sour and bitter who just insist that you're going to start this war. Me just make you know on this threat that you taking me to court to threat. Remember, I went to the police station first and report you because the same policeman them, blessed man in the king, the same policeman them where you give me the fake piece of paper, you're telling me say you're gonna make them put a gunshot in my head. You understand? Yeah, I'm gonna go down to Ocho police station and report it. And then you come behind me. After I report my statement, you put in a statement behind me. You understand? Because I was there, I left. So that's why you run come. But you need to understand Jamaican law and policy. The reason you are upset, you understand, is because I made that video that went viral. And because I made the video that go viral, you understand what they are the 1.8 million. You understand, you decide that your pride, you understand, yeah, you make your pride bring destruction. Because you just decide that now, I'm going to get him out of the house. You understand? And you go for police, you understand, you try to get me out of the house. And that no work. You understand? The same night when you go for the police, because the thing about it, I need to check time stamp now. I post those videos almost 20 minutes apart before I went to the police station. The same day, everything. You understand? The piece of paper that I went down there to report the threat that you tell me that the man that was shoot me in my head. You understand? And you read that dead before me and me pitney them live both ya. Yeah? Remember now, remember good. You understand? Listen man, listen. You need to understand now. You need to understand the law. You understand? But I am going to see you in court because I will attend to court. You understand? Me and my lawyer will be attending to court. You understand? So, this came from Mr. Cena Smith. You understand? Cena Smith. So, we're supposed to be in court them time there. So, I guess me soon in a court. You understand? But this can't stick. You hear? I tell you, not underneath section 269. You hear? Not underneath section 269. That cannot stick. After me post the video, you went viral, you come back, go for police. After you go for police, you sit down and you call my daughter a big dirty word. You understand? A 2 week my daughter and I go to school for. My daughter shame embarrassed. No one come out. Tears her eyes, them swell up for days. You understand? Brethren, remember I tell you, you don't know when to stop. You understand? You just don't know when to quit. And boom, from your device, black people in real life. Well, my day was wasted today, as you can see, in the courthouse. Just leaving courthouse 3 o'clock there from 8:30. Yeah? Court date put off. Now, mommy, just please and thanks, make sure you have $4-5 million for me. You hear that? Because I am willing to leave the house now. One time I say I don't want to leave because of all of the money I put into it. But because of my kids' sake, I am going to leave and I want to leave. But I am telling you, for that underground studio that I built with all of my money from 2008, me have a bill from bank statement to everything for about $3.5 million. You understand? And all I want is my money so I can leave this curse. You understand? Because this is a family curse. You understand? And I want to leave. So I just make you know, say, like the judge said, January 3rd, you tell a lie about you can't come home because I'm there. You understand? Number one, you don't live in Jamaica. You don't live in Jamaica. It's nowhere on earth, no court's office should have gave you no kind of form documents to state that you look protection custody. That is for somebody who live together. Me and you don't live together, charge it. We don't live together, never been. 18 years I have been in Jamaica. And you wanna spend 5 months in Jamaica out of 18 years. You see that? But hear me now, I'm not going to dwell upon it though. Because even my DSP today when I waste the 7,500, I'm going to make sure some of my boss put that down on a receipt too, because me a sue for everything now. And that me I make you know. You hear that? So, have a wonderful day. You hear that? I'll see you January.
Yeah, people. I don't know. Wow, the make of the situation is still. All I can say, it's appalling still. You understand? We don't know the full detail because we only hear things from this virgin, but a lot of way he must say it's almost like him a bore hole in his own credibility, you see? And that's my personal opinion on it. But at the same time, this is a lesson this. And I hope that people can look on it and take it for what it is. And pay attention to the people who you call family, because you understand, family not necessarily are the ones where your blood connected, because most of the time the people who hurt you most are the one them where blood connected. You understand? But we want to see people come reach on a level where they can work out them problem without a come in a public with it, or it end up with somebody get killed or some kind of injury or any kind of violent kind of outcome, you see. But in order to minimize them kind of sitting, the people have to start to think properly, you see it, and people have to start to understand how far they can go with the problem them where they have, you see it, and people have to know how to reason. People have to know how to take things from way up there so and bring it right down, so you understand. we deal with each other with more understanding and, you understand, more love. We have show more appreciation for life. You understand? Instead of we are chased down some things where we can't even carry it with we after a while. You understand? And we can't enjoy it because too much bickering and too much bad vibes and bad energy they manifest from them kind of things there. So people can't feel comfortable in their house cause some kind of ism or schism they go on over it. You understand? So we then love to see we rise above them kind of things. You see it, and I hope say the particular family they find one amicable way of work out their difference. You understand? So, end up where we are hearing on news. Say this a man here wanted by police or the mother employ people for hurt the youth or none of them kind of sitting there. You see it? So, yeah man, we wish the best for the both parties. Yeah. So we want to say give thanks, so like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, click the notification bell so when the videos come out you will get notified. You understand? And just stay blessed. Continue love life and protect on the children, you see? Protect the youth at all times. Yeah man, Rastafari bless.